Welcome in, welcome in. So, no, how would it so early? How would it so early? No, sir. I just want to tell you guys one more time, a massive, massive thank you so much for supporting me. Big up on yourself, love and alone. So today, with the Hilton, I'm gonna give you guys the live tour of this resort. Now, I kind of go wait look a bit until some more people come in and so. But for now, feel free to drop your comments and just go and like up the live and everything. So we can go and get some more people in. Thank you for the like. Me not even know who did that. Who did that a while ago? Thank you guys. Big up on yourself. Love and love. All right. So let me start from here. So we are at the main pool, water slide. I didn't want to bring on the water slide with me now, but maybe that I last thing me do. Maybe that are the last thing me do. Let me see what else. You're in Jamaica, Stewart. No, I am not in Jamaica right now. Big up yourself, and Stewart. Big up yourself. And Stewart, you know, say me have a bone to pick with you. Where is this? This is Hilton Orlando Resort. Sorry, I came on late. Where's this beautiful place? Tia, you're not late, man. You're late, but you reach. This is Hilton Resorts in Orlando. I'm gonna give you guys the live tour right now. So as you can see, we are at the water slide. Nice, not you? Nice. Bringing her around at the main pool. And everybody there are going chill out. The sun hot. The sun hot. Big up all of my 40 people them where they are. And here we have, I look a fountain thing. It nice. Me get one look I get one picture already come. I already did a vlog some things. So definitely. Yeah, that I would love this. Oh God. Me know she would have love it because them even remember bring on and show no the hot tub. I hope nobody not in there so I can give alright. People in there but me not gonna really show them overall. Alright, see the hot tub here guys. It's nice, it's long but other people there so I'm not show them in it. But it's nice, don't it? Alright, pass. Let me bring on and show on the lazy river. We went to the lazy river. Oh my god, it was so nice guys. But let me go and show on the lazy river. So I walk with and show on this. Bring on around. Orlando, yes. Yes. So the lazy river is here. Lazy river the right here, so they have a tube but they normally keep the tube in the river. So once you go up you just grab a tube and everything. And that's it. Big up all of me 150 people them where they are. So thank you guys. I would love this more. It is still a little cold over here. Yeah man, it's nice man. We're going there so and the water not too cold. And them have floaty and them thing there. It's nice bad. Alright, and we're walking around. Let me show you what else them have. Because I said I did want to go in a water slide, we don't know you see, but we have to go wait a little bit first. Let's see. Walk around, walk around, walk around. Dun, 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 dun. So right now I'm bringing it to the bar. Maybe I should leave Canada. For the bar. And as you can see, they have the Tropics bar. I did get a Caribbean punch. It kind of weak still. So normally if you want like something more stronger, you have to get like an extra shot or something. But for me, say it kind of weak. Knowing that I'm a lightweight is crazy. So yeah. And make we walk around. I'm gonna bring on over there. Them have a kids area too. Just take me to the food and bar, don't you? Right there, so. Bring on where the kids area, which part them have. You know, you have your little toddler, maybe 3-4-year-old, 5, any little area like that. And you can get fee. See, it's a nice little area, not true? Nice little area where they can play and do all of that little stuff. See? And then have them cabana too. You can rent their cabana and do all of that too. They have all the other little things. And they have one ice cream shop. I think they have 20 different flavors of ice cream. Now you're gonna expose me and my outfit. Nice weather, it's nice, guys. Family pool, adult pool, and the food. Jeez. Today we did try the guava wings. We never have guava wings before, but it was so delicious. It kind of sweet. It kind of depends on the sweet side. It don't really have like no spice nor nothing like that, but trust me, it was good. So even sometimes they have like cookie decorating. You know, you can get to decorate your cookie, all of that stuff. And yeah, giving an overall view of here. Not bad. What about other things? Did they? Oh no, want me bring on? Oh no, want me bring on the water slide? Oh no, want me bring on the water slide? We could do the water slide. What do you say? Talk to me. Is this an all-inclusive? No, it's not an all-inclusive. It's not an all-inclusive. Yes, let's go. I that with you. You can't swim? Can you swim? Oh yes, you're the boy, yes. Who want them life vests? Tell me who need to get them life vests right now, because me can't save nobody over here, you know. You understand? Me no in it with. Oh no. Who need to put on them life vests? Talk to me. I can't help myself. Stuart, you can't help everybody? Me don't know if you can help everybody, you know, cause alright, maybe go take off my hat because me don't want. Maybe go take off my hat. Oh, you can't help yourself too, that's not bad. Let me take off my hat and make sure I take off my slippers. Because I have to go put on in it. See we are do murder. Straight up in there we are go, guys. God almighty, be nervous. She's like, why place a leak so? Me almighty, guys. Me have to go put it in a waterproof things. You know, see a place a leak. I can't help everyone, but I can't help myself. Stuart, you kill me. Stuart, you kill me. Look how we go. Ah, Jesus. Nice view, guys. See them actually have a tennis court too. You want to play tennis and all of them something that you can. And Jesus Christ, guys, we never planned for this. Me never planned for this. Watch ya. Jesus Christ. Murder. They're putting on the case. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Me done. Me done. Me just putting on the case. Okay. Go. Thank you. Jesus Christ, John. Me blood clot. Me John. Me rat. No. My God, guys. Who did say that? Did I go see him with? Bad to bad. No, sir. I'm stressed, guys. Me lean up, me head hurt me, me can't come out of water. I'm stressed. Hold on. Let me get myself together. Who set me up? Who set me up for this? Calm down, man. Guys, I want to tell you guys thank you so much. We've come down to the end of the tour. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me in everything. Yo, this was fun, but I have to get myself together. No, limit. No. We're not do this. Big up on yourself. If you don't want to see it again, watch over the video. I can post it right now. I appreciate you guys. I remember me telling you, so when you don't pick the food, please pick one. Me don't want nobody to pick 4, 5, or 6 food. And I talk about, oh, I cannot choose. Please pick one, okay? Thank you guys. Have a great day. Stuart. No, limit. Ah, Jesus.